Hey, what's up guys, this is Rakesh and I'm back with another video. This is the unboxing of the Honor 9 Lite guys. Let's see what's written in the box. It says quad camera. This phone is a 4 camera guys, and this phone comes with a 18:9 display, and this phone is a 2.5D curved display, and this phone comes with the octa-core processor clocked at 2.36 GHz, and this phone comes with a 4GB RAM and a 64GB ROM, and this phone comes with the Android Oreo 8.0 with emui US. And this phone comes with a 14.4cm FHD display, and this phone comes with a 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel camera, and this phone comes with a fingerprint sensor, and this phone has a 3000 mAh battery guys. Let's unbox it and see what it has. Let me grab my knife and cut this tape over here. At the top you got the handset guys. Let's keep this aside for now and see what else do we get in the box. You get a SIM ejection tool over here. Let's take it out. Here you got the SIM ejection tool guys. At the inside you got the quick start guide and a Honor's warranty card, and you get a free back case in this box. That's very nice of them. And you got a USB charger. It's 2 amps charger guys. And you got the regular USB cable for charging and data transfer. So now let's check out the handset guys. This phone is a sapphire blue guys, and the back you got the blue glossy finish guys. The paint finish is just amazing guys. The build quality of the phone is very nice. This phone is 18:9 display. So let's switch on the phone and see what it does. While the time it boots up, let's go through the specs. This phone has a 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual camera, and this phone has a fingerprint reader at the back. At the physical overview, here you got the power button. Above that you got the volume rocker button above that. At the bottom you got the mic guys, a 3.5mm headphone jack, a regular USB port, and a single down-firing speaker guys. The phone has started working guys, so let's check out the fingerprint reader speed guys. Now let's check out the fingerprint reader speed guys. The fingerprint reader speed was awesome. It sits on the phone in accurate time. It is accurate. So now let's check out now let's go to the settings app and see what the phone has. It got the Wi-Fi settings, device connection, apps and notification, battery, display settings. Let's go to the display settings. It got the brightness, color mode, sleep, eye comfort, home screen style, wallpaper, text size, and etc. So now let's check out the about phone guys. The CPU is hisillicon kirin 659, and the RAM is 4GB, and the phone storage is about 64GB guys. I have used 43GB free. So now let's check out the gaming performance of this phone guys. Start off with the Asphalt Nitro guys. I am playing this game in the high graphics settings guys. There was no lag. The display looks so beautiful when we are gaming guys. You can definitely enjoy gaming on this phone. Let's check out the speaker quality of this phone guys. Let me just play some music. This phone has a single down-firing speaker guys. The audio quality was nice. The distraction was less even at max value. check out the display quality of this phone, guys. Let me just play some of my videos. This phone has a 1080p panel, guys. The video quality was just amazing, guys. The display was rich and punch, and the colors look rich and punchy. Now let's check out the benchmark results of this phone, guys. I have run Geekbench 4 on it. It got a single core score of 934 and a multi-core score of 3674. This is a nice score for the phone of this range, guys. So now let's go to the camera app and see the camera shutter speed, guys. The shutter speed was just amazing, guys. It was so speed, guys. Now let's see the available functions on the camera. You got the portrait mode, you got the wide aperture mode, here you got the flashlight button, and here you got the moving picture, and this is the front camera, guys. The front camera quality was nice, and here you got the beauty mode level. It is set to the high. Let me just show you. So now let me just show you the camera samples in a moment. These are the video samples I shot on the Honor 9 Lite, guys. The video quality looks nice. This phone doesn't come with an electronic image stabilization, guys. But besides that, the video quality was just amazing, guys. Here's the shot. That's all our quick unboxing and review on this Honor 9 Lite, guys. It's a nice phone for the price. It performs well. It is available in both Flipkart and Amazon. I'll leave the links in the description box down below. That was it for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.